Hi everyone, I'm Jordan B. of Jordan B. Healthy, and today we're going to make a DIY at-home pulling station. While you might not have access to the straps in the gym, you can make your own station right at home. Let's get started. What you're going to need for this is 2 bed sheets. If you only have one, what you can do is cut it up the long ways to make 2. What I'm going to do is, keeping my sheet nice and long, I'm going to find the end. From here I'm going to tie a big knot. So right over left, pull that excess fabric up through the middle. This knot is what is going to secure you in the door, so make sure it is nice and tight. So from here you're going to place your sheet in the door. The closer your sheet is to the door hinge, the more secure it will be. So you'll see I have my first sheet right up tight to the door hinge. I'm going to place my second sheet right next to that. You might need to flatten out the top just so that the door closes. From here, close your door, and you can lock it. Make sure it's extra secure. Next, what you're going to do is pull on your sheets a little bit. If there's any sliding, we want to make sure that they hit that knot that's going to hold you nice and secure. So once you feel like your sheets are nice and tight, you can go ahead and tie a knot at the bottom just like you did the top. These just give you a little extra support, some handles to hold on to. Now you're good to go ahead and start your workout. For free workout videos using the DIY at-home pulling station, you can follow me on YouTube and Instagram at Jordan B. Healthy. Thanks for watching.